Hi, my name is Mike Barmundi, and I'm a business development manager with IGEL. Today, I'm going to show you a couple of ways that you can use some IGEL technology to work from home. Under the current situation, the last thing you want is a distraction around technology to get these things to work. And hopefully, IGEL can help. As you can see here, I'm in my home here in Seattle, Washington, trying to hunker down and kind of follow the rules to prevent more spread of what's going on. So very quickly, this is a UD Pocket. I'm going to use this today to connect to Amazon WorkSpaces and show you how. So a UD Pocket is essentially a very small USB device. It contains the entire IGEL OS, which is a read-only secure operating system. It's purpose-built to connect to your apps, data, and workspaces on-prem in a remote data center in the cloud. Let me show you exactly how. I'm going to swap over to my wife's laptop, as you can see here. It's running Windows right now, but with the UD Pocket, I can simply plug it in more of a dual boot scenario and boot from the UD Pocket into a secure IGEL OS environment. So I'm going to quickly just going to restart this computer and then boot from USB. Again, this will do nothing to the underlying OS. This will simply just allow you to boot from the IGEL OS on this USB key, the UD Pocket. One of the largest operational lifts for deploying the UD Pocket is ensuring that all your user devices can actually boot from USB. So explaining to your users how to do so on their HP, their Dell, their Lenovo, their Apple, right? Any Intel x86-based system is going to be crucial. We do have a KB article that follows that. We also have multiple boot modes here. Legacy support, we obviously have UEFI boot we can do, as well as secure boot, which you can see mine's off, but you can do that as well. So I'm going to quickly just boot from USB. You can see the little IGEL logo down in the bottom right-hand corner. And in a few seconds here, this will boot into the IGEL operating system. Now, the other side to the IGEL solution is a management server, a one pane of glass approach that sits, in a data center, again, in the public cloud that allows you to manage, a few tens, hundreds, or even thousands of IGEL OS devices, right? It could be a lot of UD Pockets, it could be a mix, whatever you'd like. So when this UD Pocket actually connects, it's going to actually connect to that management server and pull down any new policies it can see. I'm going to now switch over to that management server, and we're going to take a look at exactly what that looks like. So here is the IGEL management server. As you can see here, my device is listed on the left-hand side, and it's very simplistic how the IGEL management server works, the UMS. Essentially, you create policies up here. These policies are then applied to a unique folder structure that you create. You can see the folder I have this in has multiple policies attached, like enabling the Wi-Fi, enabling the Amazon Workspace client, that sort of thing. I also have the ability to shadow a device. So when it comes to supporting users or seeing what's going on or helping them remotely, I can do this securely and easily. So you can see that the secure connection is checked. I'm going to simply connect to it. And right away, you can see that I am into that laptop device. Connecting to Amazon Workspaces is very simple. Simply double-click the client like a user would on any desktop. It brings in the login page. I've already pre-populated this with my Workspaces registration code. I'm going to simply click sign in. I'm going to log into my workspace in Amazon. Again, very simple and easy, very secure in terms of what it's doing. You can see I can, I have a small window here. I can turn it into a big window, and it'll scale it automatically. You can hit Control-Alt-Enter. It'll go into full screen mode, whatever you need to do. From here, I can obviously access Office 365 resources or Amazon Work Docs, depending on the preference of what you have with your company, securely and easily as well. There I am, connecting quickly in my Amazon Workspace directly to my email. When I'm actually finished, one of the coolest things is how easy it is to actually go back to your original operating system on your device. So simply, and I'll shut this down really quick, the screen share, and go back to the laptop. Simply pulling out the UD Pocket, as you can see here, it'll go black, and then I can simply turn on the laptop again to boot back into Windows. Simple, secure, smart, and powerful. That is kind of the focus that IGEL has. We all realize here kind of the crisis that's happening, and we want to be sure that you can easily take some of the technology complexity out of your environment to make this work. Please follow me. Please ask any questions, links below. Thank you and be safe.